Here, I have this old, mysterious, vintage TV. It isn't working now, but if you tap it gently, sometimes it wakes up. Oh, wait, something's happening. That's promising, sort of. It looks like the TV is trying to remember how to be a TV. Let's try this. Sometimes a little shake helps. It's very scientific. Okay, not exactly what we want, unless you came here to watch cartoons. But here's the real problem. Without a remote control, we're stuck on whatever bizarre world this thing decides to show. Perfect. A remote control. Modern problems require vintage solutions. Before we continue, what was your card? The 5 of clubs? Alright, do me a favor, press the channel up button 5 times. That's insane! We actually tuned into your thought. Turns out, the old TV wasn't broken. It was just waiting for the right mind to tune into. The TV by Nikolas Mavresis.